Try to open the door. I can go all the way across the street and it will open it. And finally figured out how to fix the remote door opener. I had a problem with it, quit working more or less after I did the painting of the garage door. And so what I finally did after putting a new little remote, LiftMaster remote unit in it, and getting new remotes and the whole deal, it plugs into the wall. And kept laying here the old one, which is the new one is just like it. It plugs in, and there's the old remote, and this is one of the new remotes. And I put an external antenna on it. So you can see right there, there's my little antenna. And the piece that goes vertical from right there to right there is 9 3/8 inches long, and that is 1/4 of the wavelength of the unit. It's 315 megahertz, and the wavelength of that is 37.5 inches. So these normally use a antenna that's either 1/3 or 1/4 that. So 1/4 that is 9 3/8 of an inch. So the vertical part has to be vertical, either going up or down, is the effective antenna. The rest of the wire that goes all the way into the unit, about 30 feet in the garage on the ceiling, just transfers the signal. But now it'll work. Actually, I can go on the other side of the road over here, and it will open it now. But this the new paint on it was just enough to block the signal, apparently, and I couldn't figure out what to do. Got a different unit and thought about different things, but now it works. So before I could be here, even with the new unit, with not having the antenna, I could be in my vehicle right here and just push the remote, push it, and it just wouldn't open. And so anyway, that's the cure for it, is the antenna. But that length, the vertical piece here, which is the effective antenna, that has to be the right length right there. So anyway, now it works. I'm not sure how far away I can go, but I can go a pretty good distance, you know. So I can be on the other side of the road, approaching my house, and I can open the door, have my circle back and get it. People making noise with their cars out here for whatever reason. Anyway, so that's the deal. Got my garage door working. Turned into a science project.